Welcome to another informative video, where we explore the world of hotel maintenance management and its impact on business operations. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of Upkeep, and in this video, we will delve into the intricacies of managing hotel facilities and the systems within them. We'll discuss the importance of planning and how a maintenance management software can make the process more manageable. Furthermore, we will shed light on specific maintenance needs in different types of hotels and introduce you to some organizations advancing professions in hotel maintenance. So, stick around till the end to learn how our tools and resources can help your maintenance and reliability teams be more successful. Let's talk about hotel maintenance management. It's absolutely crucial for hotels as businesses. The challenge lies in supervising the physical hotel facility as well as the systems within it. But guess what? The key to managing it all is planning, and doing so with a maintenance management software makes it a breeze. So, what exactly is hotel maintenance? Well, it's the upkeep of the various systems and components used in the hospitality industry. These systems include general building operations such as HVAC, electrical, and plumbing, but also many needs specific to hotels and their customers. Depending on the size of the hotel and the services they offer, these specific needs can include upkeep of refrigeration, elevators, cable TV, phone lines, personal computers, room furnishings, and lighting fixtures. With such a wide scope of maintenance needs, hotel maintenance crews need to have a large breadth of expertise. And that's why maintenance planning is crucial for hotel success. Let's talk numbers for a moment. On average, a hotel charges a little under $130 per night. If there's a significant problem in any of the rooms it rents, it means a loss of $130 each night that the room needs repairs. Now imagine if the repair work requires multiple rooms to be shut down for a few days during a busy season. The amount lost quickly escalates. For instance, if the water pressure on one floor of the building goes out during the summer and the floor has 20 rooms, that means $2,600 in lost revenue each night. And the worst part? A problem of that scope would likely be preventable, meaning a small investment in preventive maintenance would have avoided that downtime altogether. Now, the hospitality industry includes several types of hotels, all of which have their own maintenance needs. An average hotel needs a wide variety of maintenance work, including heating, cooling, plumbing, lighting, groundskeeping, electronic equipment, and more. Serviced apartments or residential hotels offer longer stay times, and their maintenance needs tend to resemble those of apartments. Resorts located in remote locations have unique maintenance needs. They often need to supply their own electricity, water, and waste disposal, all while keeping up on the additional features they offer, like golf courses, skiing, and swimming. Then there are timeshare rentals and casino hotels, both of which require consistent maintenance work. There are various organizations dedicated to advancing professions in hotel maintenance, including the American Hotel and Lodging Educational Institute, or AHLEI, and the National Association of Hotel and Lodging Engineers, or NAHLE. They each offer their own educational programs like the AHLEI Maintenance Employee Certification and the Certified Chief Engineer Training offered by NAHLE. These come in addition to college degrees and other training programs offered through various institutions. So, who benefits from management software in the hotel maintenance world? Maintenance technicians who handle a wide range of responsibilities are a great example. They perform regularly scheduled maintenance as well as corrective maintenance performed on a hotel's numerous systems. Maintenance supervisors oversee the actions of maintenance technicians and may also help with regular maintenance tasks themselves. They report to maintenance directors on various metrics, such as scheduling, regulatory compliance, and safety. Directors of maintenance handle high-level planning and hotel upkeep tasks, including working with supervisors, reporting to the hotel manager, and creating policies for their workers to follow. Cleaning and housekeeping staff also play a key role in detecting problems. Communication between maintenance and housekeeping should be open enough that it facilitates resolution of minor problems as they're found. This communication is typically handled through work orders submitted to the hotel's maintenance department. And if you're looking for news and resources, Lodging Magazine, published by the American Hotel and Lodging Association, contains numerous articles designed for those in the hospitality industry. including those working in hotel maintenance. HospitalityNet also publishes regular news articles and informative content for those working in the industry and related professions. Thank you for watching. We've covered the importance of hotel maintenance management, the role of planning, and how a maintenance management software like Upkeep can make the process more manageable. Remember, the success of your hotel depends largely on the efficiency of your maintenance and reliability teams. To learn more about how Upkeep can help, visit our website at upkeep.com. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more insights. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.